Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve with LeetCode number 242, which comes under easy category. Basically, the problem name is valid anagram. So the question says, given two strings S and T are written true if T is an anagram of chess and false otherwise. So basically, here they will give us two strings. So basically, I would like to tell what is the meaning of anagram. So if you see here, anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or a phrase using all the original letters of exactly once. So basically, what the question says, we said, so there will be a base string S and another string T. So we should return true if the T is formed by using all the letters of S and rearranging the letters of all the like at once. So you can see the example. So the string S is anagram and the string T is like it somewhat came by rearranging the letters, all the letters of the string S exactly once. So output here it is true. So you can see in the example 2, it is rat and the T is car. You can see R is there, R is there, A is there, A is there, but here C which is not present in the S. So we should return false for this. And so let us try to solve this problem using some intuition. So the main thing should come into your mind is that so the string which is derived from the S string contains all the should contain all the letters of the string S exactly once. So how can we solve this? So the intuition behind this is so what we can do is so we can store all the we can store all the strings characters of this in an unordered map or using some kind of a vector, and we can minus the strings whichever we see from the string, like we can minus whichever character which we see from the string t. So at last we can compare if there are some elements remaining in the vector we have created. We can return false. If else we can return true. So let us write the working code for that. So yeah, starting first we should make sure that the length of if the length of both s and t are not equal, we can obviously return false because the t is formed by exactly the characters which are there in the s string. So we can write a if condition. So if s dot size, yeah, like we can write if s dot size is not equal to t dot size. So obviously we can yeah, obviously, sorry, obviously we can return as false there. Then false there. So in the next condition, so yeah, we can create an vector. Uh, so the other thing which we can notice is that so here they are given that S and T consist of only lowercase letters. So we can use a vector here. So we will name our vector, and we know that in English alphabets there are only 26 alphabets, right? So we can create a vector of frequency 26 with initialization 0. So right, oh, okay. Now we will store all the elements in this vector. So char in S, first we will iterate through the string S. So whenever we find the character in the string S, we will store them. We will store them in a vector frequency. So later we will write another for loop for string t. For string t, so what we can do here is so for every character in string t, we're gonna minus their uh, existence in our created vector. We'll write minus minus. Yeah. At last, the frequency vector we created would be having 0 or some elements. So we can write a for loop for that for int count in frequency. So if the count is not equals to 0. So means some elements are existing after subtracting all the characters from the t with the string. Then obviously we can return as false. Otherwise, we can come out of the loop and we can say return true. Yeah, this is what the institution says. Let's see what happens. I think some mistake is here, so let me correct it. Which is not equals to a dot size, right? Yeah, now it's correct, I think. Let us run it once again. Yeah, you can see all the test cases have been passed. Let us submit this. Yeah, 100%. We with 100% of the submissions because like they have given a hint here, like consists of only a lowercase letter. So if it add both uppercase and lowercase, then first we need to like what we need to convert the uppercase to lowercase, and then we should compare, right? Yeah, it's the institution behind this. Thank you for watching.